What are the new guidelines for vitamin D deficiency?
For older adults and people with osteoporosis, aim to correct vitamin D deficiency and then maintain levels. Deficiency is below 20 nanograms per milliliter, that's 50 nanomoles per liter, and many societies target 30 nanograms per milliliter, that's 75 nanomoles per liter, for bone health. Correct with a short loading course such as 50,000 international units weekly for 6 to 8 weeks, or 6,000 international units daily for 8 to 12 weeks. Then maintain 800 to 2,000 international units daily. Avoid large single bolus doses. Check a baseline 25-hydroxy vitamin D and recheck after 3 months. Keep daily intake generally below 4,000 international units unless supervised, and ensure adequate calcium when starting osteoporosis treatments.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.